Welcome! In front of me I've got NISSAN X-TRAIL ePower. In this video I'll show you basic maintenance tutorial. Let's start with the engine bay. Firstly, you will learn where are the all fluids, air filter, fuse box location, dipstick and more. Let's start with the right side of the engine bay. Right here we can find the fuse box in engine compartment. To access it we have to unlock two locks and remove the screw, then we have to lift it up. Next to the fuse box we've got the air filter. To access it we have to unlock these locks and we can find the air filter. Don't forget to lock it afterwards. Above we can find brakes fluid reservoir with the dot 3 in this case. Here we can find washer fluid reservoir, engine oil level dipstick and two coolant reservoirs, one for the petrol engine and one for the hybrid engine. Under the hood we can also find this sticker, thanks to which we can learn what kind of AC refrigerant this car uses. In this case it's R1234YF and you should use approximately half kilogram of the coolant. But this is not the end for the maintenance. Follow me. Behind driver's doors we can find sticker with recommended tire pressure, and also thanks to the sticker you can learn what kind of tires this car fit. Here we can find VIN number sticker with the paint code, and under the dashboard right here we can find interior fuse box, and under interior fuse box there is a OBD2 port. Take a look under the cap. Right here you can find diagram. In the end, let's take a look at the trunk of the car. In the trunk we will not find the spare tire, but there is a compressor, sealant, all necessary tools and car battery. But don't use this car battery to jumpstart the car. Because under the hood you will find jumpstart extension under the fuse box. Last thing is the refueling. To open the gas flap, press this button on the left side, and here you can find what kind of fuel this car uses. This car does not have cap. To refuel it, simply insert the distributor. Thank you very much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.